Hello, this is one technology section of INE Foundation Lab 2. This is our first part, 3.1 PPPoE. PPPoE is old technology, but we have to understand it for encore exam, but we will not face it in lab exam. Okay, configure PPPoE connection between R3 and R10. Okay, let's see our topology. This is our INE Foundation Lab 2 diagram. Between R3 and R10, we have Ethernet. This is gigabit, but in the lab, we have Ethernet. We have Ethernet 1.103 connection between R3 and R10. And let's see. Short P interface brief. Let's do here. Short. Okay, on R10, I have Ethernet 0/1 103. This is our IP address. 103.10 for R10 and 103.3 for R3. Okay. We have to configure PPPoE between this link, R3 and 10. Establish the PPPoE session over the gigabit Ethernet 1.103 interface. This is the same interface we have. Ethernet 0/1.1.103. R10 and R3. Okay. Configure R10 as the server and R3 as the client. Okay, R10 should be server, PPPoE server, and T should be PPPoE client. On number the PPPoE links to the gigabit Ethernet 1.103 interface of each device. For each device, I have to unnumber the PPPoE links. Unnumber means we have to use IP unnumber command. Unnumber command. The IP unnumber command, if we specify the IP unnumber command, it will borrow IP address from our physical interface. I will explain this later. Then disable hashroot generation for this PPPoE session. I will explain what is hashroot and how we can disable it in PPPoE. Okay, let me explain what we have to do and jump into configuration. Okay, let me explain how we can configure PPPoE for server and client, what is hashroot. One important note here, this is because we have to use IP unnumber command. For PPPoE server, we can configure PPPoE server with pool or without pool. Because we are using IP unnumber, we have to use PPPoE server without pool. The pool means the pool is like the DHCP server, the same as DHCP. Okay, let's see how we can configure PPPoE server. First, we have to create our profile by bba-group command, bba-group PPPoE, and we can specify either our favorite profile name or global name. This is global profile. Then under this configuration, we have to specify virtual dash template our favorite number. Then we have to create our virtual template interface by interface virtual template and our favorite number. This number should be same as this number here. Then we have to assign IP address to our virtual template by either IP address command, IP address and subcommand, or IP unnumbered physical interface. We have to use IP unnumbered command here. The physical interface is this interface that we want to borrow its IP address. At the end, we have to apply our profile to our physical interface. Our favorite interface, then apply it by PPPoE, enable, group, and our profile, which is our favorite name or global profile. This is our PPPoE server configuration, and if we want to use pool, we have to the same configuration plus these two more commands. One is IP local pool. This is in global configuration mode. IP local pool, our pool name, and our range of IP addresses. For example, IP local pool PPPoE, our pool name, and our range that we want to our client to be assigned. The range of this is like our DHCP scope. We configuring our in Windows Server. Then on the interface virtual template, this is interface virtual template, we have to use p default IP address pool and our pool name. This is the same name we assign to our IP local pool. This is our PPPoE server configuration with pool command. Okay, for configuring PPPoE client, we have to create interface dialer. Interface dialer, our favorite number. Then you assign IP address by either IP address negotiated or IP address command or IP unnumbered physical interface. Encapsulation PPP and dialer pool or pool number. Then assign this pool number to our physical interface. Interface, our favorite physical interface. Then PPPoE dash client, dialer dash pool, dash number, and our favorite number. This is the same number we use. We assign for our dialer pool. This number should be the same as this number. For our PPPoE verification, we use show PPPoE command or show PPPoE session command. And let's see what is hash root. It means that the root has all the bits in the network mask set to 1. This means if our network mask, if we have our network mask bits to 1, it will become 255. It means we have /32 address. For creating hash root, we simply use IP root and our address and our subnet should be 255.255.255. This is our bit set to 1. This is our hash root. And how we can disable hash root in PPPoE? We simply use command no-p neighbor root. If both ends are on the same subnet, like here we have this link between them, we are in the same subnet. We are in the same subnet. If both ends are on same subnet, then you can safely disable the p neighbor root. by no pre-enable command. If we use this command and if I do show IP route with star32, I will not see this route on PPPoE client and server. I will show this in our lab. Okay, now let's configure our PPPoE server and client. Okay, let's configure server. Our turn should be our server. For config T. Okay, first I have to create our PPPoE profile. This is server side by BBA dash group PPPoE. Then I can specify our BBA group name or our PPPoE global group. I will use global here. Then we have to specify virtual template number. Virtual template. Okay, this is sub interface is 103. I will use 103 for. Okay, now I have to go into interface with a template section. Let's exit this here and interface. Our virtual template. Our virtual template number is 103. And assign. Here I have to use use IP number command. We have to unnumber the PPP or links to this physical interface. This means we have to assign IP unnumbered to this interface. We have to borrow IP address from this physical interface. This physical interface. IP unnumbered. Then we have to specify our physical interface. Okay, at the end, I have to upload our profile to our physical. Okay, let's go to interface. This is our physical interface and upload with PPPoE enable group name. PPPoE enable group name okay, this should be global group global. Okay, we have assigned this to our physical interface. Okay, now let's configure our client. Config T. I have to use we have to create interface dialog. Simply use interface dialog command. I'll use the same number here. Then I have to use IP unnumbered command and our favorite interface. Initial IP interface brief. Then IP unnumbered. I have to use this physical interface. I have to borrow this physical interface IP address. Then encapsulation, PPP, and dialog group. Dialog pool, dialog pool. Pool number. Then I have to assign this pool into our physical interface. Interface with PPPoE dash client. Then dial pool number. This is our dial pool number. Okay. Now let's verify. Show PPP all. This is our virtual interface 1, LSCP local, and our P address. And show PPP all command. This is correct. And we have show PPPoE session command. This is up. Show PPPoE session. This is up. Dialog monitor is up, and this is up. Okay, let's see show up interface brief. Here I have virtual access 1 up and dialog 103, and this if you notice I have borrowed this IP address from this physical interface. Brief. I have our virtual template and virtual access, and I have borrowed this IP address from this physical interface, and this up and up. I can ping 156.1.103.3. This is working. Okay, now I have to disable household generation. Before I disable this household generation, let's see if household generation is enabled. Simply by using show IP root. One 156.1.103.3, and I'll specify 255.255.255. This is a 32-bit mask, and I have this household over here. same as here. Show IP root 156, 1, 103, and 10, 255, 255, 255, 255. Okay, now let's disable this all household. I can disable by no pin neighborhood command on the virtual template for server and interface dialog for client. This is interface dialog. Okay, on this client config T interface dialog 103, and there's no peer. We have peer here. Okay, we have peer. No peer. Neighbor dash root. Okay, let's disable on server. I have to go into interface virtual template 103 and no peer neighbor dash root command. Okay, now let's clear our PPPoE session. Let's pin it should be turned. Okay, now let's see household generation is disabled or not. One, 103, and 3, and 255, 255, 255. Okay, show IP root. Okay, now I don't have subnet. I don't have that root with star32 subnet not in table. And if I do show IP root without a subnet, this is /24, not /32. I have simply disabled household on both client and let me check server. Show IP root 156, 103. It should be 30. I have 32 slash bit and our household is disabled. Okay, this was our PPPoE session. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for viewing.